Okay, after suffering few hours for installing Windows again. So I installed again, Resident Evil Revelations 2, in new Windows. Let's find out are we doomed our Windows for nothing or what? It seems game running fine. Okay. Good. Oh fuck, really? It's like I have a powerful magnet, which it brings all errors to me, one after another. Okay, let's handle this little pissant. And oh, note this. I don't recommend to reinstall your Windows, like mine. Your first step should be upgrading Windows. I done that, but a freaking error wouldn't let me. Okie dokie, fatal error, ha. About this, I did a lot of digging and researching. For this annoying fatal error with box error09 unsupported function. To find out what it is and what it is for. Many solution I found, but not of it truly worked for me. I test all of them one by one, here. Let's have a quick review, so may you have find your solution in one of it. One, right-click, go to Properties. Then Compatibility. Now check the compatibility mode. I suggest to choose Windows Vista 7 and 8. Attention, do each of the solutions separately, not at once. I mean test and run your game each time. 2. Again at compatibility but different way. Check the run in 640x480 screen resolution. And disable display scaling on high and etc. Three. Change your screen resolution to highest or medium resolution. Four. Open My Computer. Go to this address. Open the folder which is your username. If you can't find App Data folder, click View at the bar. Then check the Hidden Items box. Now go to followed address. Open the config file. Find resolution, change it to your actual desktop screen resolution. And change full screen to on, if it's off. Save and open the game. Five, and last solution. It must be you were installed old version, graphic card driver or unofficial one. Try to update or reinstall it. If you well familiar with PC, you can download your PC graphic card driver on an official website. If you not, download these two driver installer. Install one of it and try update or reinstall graphic card driver. Error will resolve after installing official graphic card driver. Okie dokie, let's install graphic card. Oh, first I must uninstall previous one. Sorry for bad view. Okay now. Remember, after installation, restart your PC. Restart your PC, then run the game. Without any creepy error. Okie dokie, let's find out. Our farm is green or red, ha 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 ha. Okay now, God help me. No more errors.
Resident Evil.
Yes, 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 yes. Well, enjoy your hunting zombies. Please notice this, if you don't like and subscribe, then you are a gay. Thanks for watching, ciao.